Hello world! This is gonna be my first video, a little about video. I don't. These guys are kind of creeping me out, so let's switch to some architecture. I'll be using Eclipse Indigo on my Mac computer boot camp. I was gonna use some kind of apps I bought on the store, but if I have a recording program on the Windows, and I can record stuff like Audio Surfer and maybe some other Steam games on the side. Maybe I'll make a YouTube playlist for that on my channel. That's kind of like a side project. Yeah. Anyway, this is Eclipse. I haven't even really started working on music, but that's the least common subsequence problem that I'm gonna be doing in the future. There's Gold Knight. Definitely gonna do Gold Knight, Bread First Search. Yeah, I also want to do Pikmin, which is a Death First Search, or actually a modified Death First Search. There's some people that actually, they look at that and they just go, no, you can't do that with a Death First Search. You would have to, the Death First Search it wouldn't make sense. You can't do it. But then it's like, well, I found a way to do it with a Death First Search, and that's pretty cool. I figured that out. Let's see. Well, yeah. First off, I use Eclipse, and my icon on my YouTube channel is from Eclipse. If you didn't really notice, I don't know if I should. I don't know. I guess I'll leave this up here. You guys can read it if you feel really bored or something. I'll go to my little spoiler. Oh wait. Oh, this is my really crappy one. Yeah. This is the one that completely sucked, and I had to scrap it and start over. So yeah, go ahead and see what do you think's wrong with this. I actually didn't really analyze it that much. It was just too slow anyway. Even if it did work, it was gonna work too slow. So go ahead and read this recursive program. Gold Knight. You just look up the question later. I mean, I'm not gonna talk about the question right now. Just go ahead and look it up, and then. Or watch my video and then go look at this code if you want. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I'm still fairly new to contest programming. My solutions are probably not always going to be the best. So if you have some better ideas, go ahead and leave a comment or a video response or something like that. I'm always up for feedback, and this is kind of new to me, so I don't really know. And this is I'm going to be going over some kind of complicated things. So if you don't know what recursion is, or what a for loop is, then yeah, this is not the videos for you. You better go learn that if you want to actually get anything out of these videos. Or you could just not listen to me talk and go this guy's really cool. I don't know. But if you don't really know, pretty much you're starting from scratch. Khan Academy, let me bring that up. It's a really cool website, Khan Academy here, and they have a computer science section right there. Oh, you can't even see that. Okay, yeah. So, for loops, while loops, Python's okay. I mean, Python is really common sense kind of code. Instead of 2 ampersands for and, you just read out the word and. So yeah, that's always nice. Let me close some stuff I'm really not going to be using here. Okay, I'll leave that open. Yeah, well, if you want to follow along better with Java, there's this cool website, and I haven't actually gone to it yet on this boot camp. It's called CodingBat. Yeah, there we go. CodingBat.com. Let me go ahead and log in here to show you what I did on this when I was with Miss Dearman's class. This is such a good website. I recommend it to everyone. I think that's good enough. Yeah, save password. Okay. So you can see here's the Java section, here's the Python sections. If you want to do Python code to go along with your Khan Academy videos here, you can do that. I haven't really learned Python, as you can see. I've only done a little bit of warm-up 1. But look at this! So many stars! Oh my god! And it's so beautiful. Oh! But, no. I'm not going to do string 3 unless I'm really bored one day and it's like, I want to do some really hard string questions. Yeah, that's what I'll do today. No, but I did do all of recursion 2, and if you really got a good sense of how recursion works, go ahead and do recursion 1, recursion 2. It's pretty good for teaching you. So, like, there's all these different questions, and for the first couple ones, of course, they have the help, like the show solution that you can just look at the solution, how to do it with notes and whatnot. So that's good. Of course, recursion 2 is a little bit harder. So yeah, to go ahead and do those. You have no idea like what the heck you're doing. And okay, so let's say you're a contest programmer, or let's say you're one of my fellow students at UCF, passed the first round, and you just want to practice right now. I suggest Google Code Jam. And so Google Code Jam, there's this competition that goes on every so often. Last time it happened at like early June, I want to say. I don't know exactly, but yeah, they have stuff like this, like all your base, and you can you download an input file, then you make your program have an output file. So if you don't know how to do that, you can just look it up. I don't know, and choose your output file, submit it, and it'll tell you whether or not you got it right. Now, let's say you get it wrong and you have no idea why. Kind of sucks, right? I mean, you troubleshoot it for a bit, you still can't really figure it out, then that's where you go to contest analysis. And then you can kind of look at, well, this is how you do this problem. Oh, okay, that kind of makes sense. So let's say you look at contest analysis and you change your answer a little bit, but it's still wrong. Well, that sucks, right? Okay, so what you do, I think it's called Go Hero. No, maybe not. Hang on. Code Jam Statistics is the best way to get defined to it. Yeah, it actually is Go Hero. And so you could go to solutions, find solutions. Let's say 2009. Let's do all your base, the one you were just on. Programming language Java. Find solutions. And Gavin, because he's Gabe just like me, why not? And there you go. You can download his solutions to the problems right here, and then you can put that in your Eclipse, download it, and read his output, and then you can compare it. There's some kind of called comparing programs that are really good if you don't want to do it by hand. The two of the ones that I know are WinMerge and KDiff. So yeah, WinMerge. I don't know if I actually have WinMerge on this computer. I think I do. So there's WinMerge, and then there's KDiff. WinMerge for Windows, KDiff works for Macs for certain. Actually, yeah. See, I have it. Okay. So let's go over a little bit of my history. So I don't know. Let's go back to my code, and you guys want to keep on reading that. Okay, so my first time that I really ever had any experience with the contest programming was when I went to Stetson, and that was at the beginning year of the senior year of my high school. I had taken like multimedia sophomore year, and then I took like intro to programming junior's years, and then then I took APCS my senior year. And when I went to Stetson, yeah, I kind of sucked. I only got one question. I spent all my time trying to figure out how to print out Pascal's triangle, which actually is kind of ironic. We did that in class later in APCS, and for some reason I thought you needed to do it recursively because I just learned recursion. I don't know why I thought that. It was just really stupid to me. It's so much easier with iteration, which is just like a for loop if you guys don't know. So yeah, I vowed that day to redeem myself at the UCF programming high school tournament. And let me bring up that webpage here, because for all you guys that want to practice, you just Google search UCF. This was originally going to be a webcam video, but then it's like this is going to be so much more useful. You don't spell tournament with a Y. I still don't know how to type properly. Yep. I don't know. If someone has any good suggestions for typing software, lay it on me. Okay, so let's this is the programming team, so I'm trying to get on. If I get on it, I pretty much get paid. I get like a job where I'm on the programming team, and that job will pay me at most $12,000 for the year. So that's really cool if I can get on that. It's really competitive though, not too many spots. And yeah, this is a high school tournament. Say you're a high school student, you want to practice, then you go to history, past problem sets, and you can download all the problem sets from pretty much, well, forget these, 1993 to 2011, and then 2010 twice because you have the online version too. So yeah, you're never gonna run out of practice problems to do, pretty much, unless you're like insane and you just start at the beginning of a year and you do like one a week or something. I don't know, some kind of crazy savant kid, I guess. But now, well, oh yeah, well, the aftermath. So that's actually kind of what I did. I went and I did a lot of solutions, like at least from 2000. I think I went to 2004 maybe. But I did all of these pretty much. Maybe some of these, and I was doing that in my APCS class with Miss Dearman. It was really cool practicing so much, and it really paid off because at the end I actually got third place in this thing. And actually, let's see if I can bring up the score sheet. Let's see if I can bring up the score sheet here. Forget it. Yeah, I don't know. I know it's here somewhere. But anyway, now I'm a CAS major at UCF. Planning on getting a math minor. And I won third. Well, yeah, I just said that. My partners for that were Nolan R and Garrett C. And yeah, they're really cool guys. They didn't practice as hard as I did, but I was practicing really hard. I was going there at lunch, just doing contest programs and stuff, and it was really fun. But I can't expect everyone to go to their lunch period, So, oh yeah, and we all won scholarships we couldn't use. Yeah, scholarships we can't use, but whatever. I mean, they don't have unlimited funds to give everyone. Maybe our scholarships are really bad because we got third place or something. I don't know. But I did get some expensive software, which is like the Adobe Suite Classroom Key thing. I have my dad sell it on eBay, whatever. And so yeah, I want to thank Miss Dearman with being so lenient when I was practicing with UCF, and for she actually helped me get volunteer hours for just me helping out in her class, and that pretty much saved me from having to go out of my way and volunteer some more. The London Science Center is pretty cool, but teaching programming is so much better. And so yeah, for the time span that I was practicing for this high school tournament thing, it's about a month or more, probably more than that. I don't really know, but it's at least 1 month. And stuff. I kind of have a list of everything I'm gonna say on paper, but I'm not really following it. And okay, so if I do make these videos and they get really popular, then yeah, Ms. Dearman can use them to train up some programming teams on the side or something, which would be pretty cool, because Bishop